friends, to another video. I hope you're all doing well. As you can tell, I am in the car. I decided to open the vlog in the car because if I don't, I will not remember to vlog. It is Saturday, 12:50, and I'm heading home from running an errand with my mom. And I've already been outside doing quite a bit of yard work, which made me so happy. Even though the sun is not out, it is very cloudy, but like in the 50s, it's 54 right now. I prefer to be hot and sunny, but to do yard work, this is like perfect weather. Once I get home, I am eating some leftovers. We're going to eat leftovers from yesterday's dinner. And then I want to get back out to the yard. I've been working on the garden beds, flipping the dirt, adding compost, more soil, and get the dirt ready to plant my seedlings. I just wish the temperature warmed up a little bit because it is still like in the 40s. Like it's supposed to be like 38, 39, like in the 40s. As you can see, no makeup on today. I woke up and I was determined to get outside and start working on the yard. Our chickens are in their coop. We're just putting them in the coop, not letting them out to the run, where we've done so much research and videos, and I read another blog this morning that they said to introduce them to their new home slowly. So they're in the coop. I'll once I get home, I'll show you the chickies. They seemed to be okay before I left. Hopefully they're still okay. And then tonight we will move them back into the garage so they can have a little bit of their heat, because or a little bit of warmth, since the temperatures are still not up. But I'm excited that we've started this process of now introducing them to the coop. They are a good size now, and you know, the crate we're using, I think it's a bit too small because they're growing, so I want to kind of like get the process going. So that's what we're doing. My husband is doing like a flower bed. He's doing like a mulch bed outside of the garden. I'll show you. And I'm excited for that because I have flowers to plant. For the first time, I have dahlias to plant. I bought 2 bags of bulbs a couple of weeks ago, and I want to plant those. I've never grew flowers before. Besides, I have lilies that I would buy from school fundraisers when my kids were in school, and so I have those, and they come back every year. But like, I want my yard with a lot of flowers, so we're tackling the yard. So that's what we're doing, and I'll just have you hang out with me for bits of today and tomorrow for a little bit, and then I want to see if I get the video up for you tomorrow. But today it's a very simple day, nothing fancy here, and yeah, so let's get home, eat some leftovers for lunch. I am starving. I am hydrating with water for sure, and I've had very, very busy weeks, so but yeah, I decided also, friends, to get back to doing my nails. I stopped doing them because of time. I didn't have time, but then I'm like, I could do them at home. It's been 3 months, February, March, April, 3 months that I think I did my nails only once, and I like having them polished. I enjoy it. It makes me feel good, and I decided I booked an appointment right after work because it's in the same town that I work at, the nail salon. So I went straight there yesterday and I got my nails done, getting my hair colored Wednesday. I don't know what's happening, but I think we spaced out the same time that I always do, and the grays are just like there. So we're having some self-care going, which is important, and I think I've put that aside a little bit, and when I do, it kind of like wakes me up, and I realize that I have to do some self-care, and these are things that make me happy: coloring my hair, getting my nails done, but most of all is just being outside. I don't know, just being outside this morning, it just made me feel so good. So all right, friends, I will see you after.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, all quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
Friends, it is much later on, and as you could see from the clips, it is much later on, and I think like close to 5 o'clock. It feels so good, friends, to be able to have that much done today. How accomplishing it was. I'll take you out there and explain to you what I planted, and give you a little bit of a vision of how I want that area, the garden area, to look. But I am so happy at how my husband put together the flower bed. So we came inside, we're tired. We came inside, we had coffee, and then the house is like in desperate need of cleaning, but there's like a fur. But I need to go to Loft, I need to go to Old Navy, return a pair of jeans, get the right size, exchange, browse around for work clothes. I had bought a summer dress at Loft, I think like a couple of weeks ago, online. It does not fit me. Either I get a different size or I'll find something else. And then tonight I can focus on laundry, and then tomorrow between my husband and I, we'll get this house cleaned up and ready for the work week. But I'm so happy how things are looking. And it was a cloudy day, which was perfect. I love sunny days, but I'm finding out that working, oh, it's the kitties. When it's hot and sunny out, it just doesn't, my body can't take it. I just feel sick. Maybe that day I got sick because I didn't have a hat on. I don't know. So now I'm going to Old Navy Loft. I'm going to stop at Target to just quickly get a few things that I need and then come home, take a nice shower, and be done for today. Not be done, but like focus on laundry more, and then tomorrow for a few hours just take care of the house and cook. I wanted to share something else. Yes, my plan for tomorrow. I don't know if I mentioned I had to go into work for a couple of hours. I no longer have to, which works out. And my plan for tomorrow is try not to leave the house for the day. We'll see if that happens, because it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. All right, I cannot go to Old Navy this way. I have dirt all over, like my knees. I don't even know why I'm showing you this. So I'm just going to change quick and head to the store. It is Sunday, very early. One of the kitties woke me up, and let's take a look at the chickens. We ended up leaving them out in the coop, and I was very anxious to come out here and check how they made out during the night. So let's take a look at them. Let me go this way. Let me see. Let's go over here. And make sure they open the side. Good morning. Good morning. I am so happy to see them. You have no idea, friends. So happy to see them. I was afraid it wasn't the right move to leave them out, but they're doing good. Look at them. They're doing well. I want to see if maybe today I let them out on the run for an hour or so. I don't know. But they're eating. They're drinking. I'm so happy right now. This makes me really happy. It's supposed to rain all day today. I didn't even wash my face, did anything. I started a coffee pot and came out here and checked on them. And I'm so happy. Hello, chickens. Hello. They're all eating. That's awesome. That's awesome. I can smell my coffee from out here. Look at these. Look at this little one. This little one is the one that woke me up. This little one.